In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print in Microsoft Excel. Printing in Excel is a very simple process once you know where to look. If you are working with a spreadsheet and you are ready to create a paper copy, Excel gives you a built-in print menu where you can choose your printer and send the file to print in just a few clicks. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Make sure the file you want to print is already on your screen. Once your workbook is open, go to the top left corner of the Excel window and click the File tab. This will take you out of the main spreadsheet view and open the File menu, where you will find options for saving, sharing, exporting, and printing your workbook. From the menu on the left-hand side, click Print. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also open this same area with the keyboard shortcut for printing. This is the main print screen, and it is where Excel gathers all of the print-related options in one place. It also gives you a preview of how your sheet will look when printed, which can be helpful before sending anything to your printer. Next, look for the Printer drop-down menu. Click it and select the physical printer you want to use. This step is important if your computer is connected to more than one printer, because Excel may not always choose the one you want by default. Take a moment to confirm that the correct device is selected before continuing. Once the right printer is chosen, move to the large Print button near the top of the print screen and click it. Excel will then send your workbook to the selected printer. Depending on your printer and computer speed, it may take a few moments for the printing process to begin. If nothing happens right away, give it a moment and check that your printer is turned on, connected properly, and has paper loaded. That can help avoid common printing issues. That is the full process for printing in Microsoft Excel. Open the workbook, go to the File tab, choose Print, select your printer, and click the Print button. That covers everything you need to know.